I am beyond super pumped. We just got our plumbing finished and done, so now we can start producing in-house screen printing. So the lab should be up and running. I'm super hyped on this. This thing's been sitting here for almost 2-3 months now, and we have not done anything with it just because of an incident that happened when we first got this hooked up. I will show you pictures so you guys can see why it's been on a kind of a hold. But I'm super hyped. You guys need apparel done. The lab is going to be fully operational soon. If you guys have experience in screen printing, we might be looking for somebody to hire. So this is the reason why it was been on hold. We had a guy come out and do an install on the sink, and he ended up cutting into the pipe, and the water just came out everywhere. Pretty traumatizing experience. That's the reason why it's been on hold for this past like 3 months. We're about to head over to Daniel's shop, Premium Autostyling, to try out this Focus ST on his car.
He has a Focus ST.
Yeah, one of the employees there has a Focus ST.
Very cool, very cool.
So you can check that out.
That's for the ST, right?
Yeah, for the ST. I was gonna try it out, see if
And this is presented to you, my buddy.
What? Let's go.
Out. So, Mr. Lowtek, we got you.
Always doing it legit. Check this out. Damn.
Let's carry it across the street.
The things we do for lowtek. Lowtek, you owe me something. Free ride in your car. This thing's heavy. Safe and sound at the lab. We have the electrician here today. He's doing some work for us. He's gonna get us hooked up to get this dryer going, to get screen printing done. You guys need apparel, hit us up. I'll put the information down below. We got my boy Sam right here finishing up the install for our dryer.
All right.
You guys need electrical stuff, you guys gotta hit him up. He's located out here in Riverside. Do you travel out at other places or what? There you go. Yeah, he just set us up to get this dryer up and running soon. Check that out. Boom. We're live, baby. This is where it all starts. I am super pumped that this thing is up and running. In-house production is going to be a big beneficial for us. Teklo, In.FOCUS, Powder Chasers, a couple other brands that we have yet to name. But I'm super hyped on that, and I want to throw this out to you guys. If you guys are interested in a part-time job, we're actually looking for somebody that can do packaging, shipping, and inventory. Ideally, this would be perfect for like a high school student, college student. If you're interested in the job, shoot us an email, info@infocusshift.com. I think I probably already said that, but cool. Catch you guys later.